What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I'm out here at the park and I'm ready to do another test. I made a video about the Galaxy S20 Plus not having any focusing issues, but I did it in 4K and I didn't see any focusing issues in 4K. But a lot of y'all guys was asking, what about in 8K? We've seen that the Galaxy S20 Ultra is having focusing issues across the board, but in 8K it's even worse on the Ultra. But what about the Galaxy S20 Plus? So I'm out here at the park and I'm going to test the Galaxy S20 Plus in 8K and see if it has any focusing issues. Also, I'm going to shoot in 4K and see if it has any focusing issues in 4K compared to 8K. This is going to be a good one. Let's see if the Galaxy S20 Plus have an issue with 8K recording. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Woo! Let's go. All right, guys, so here it is. This is 8K. And one of the disclaimers, as soon as you put this on 8K, it tells you autofocus is not supported in 8K. So if you put this on 8K, autofocus is not supported. Also, I'm walking and I don't have a gimbal. So y'all guys are seeing maybe the jumpiness or the lack thereof. And there it goes. So one of the issues with the Ultra is that it had poor focusing, and as you can see that the 20 also has poor focusing at 8K, and as you can see it don't even want to focus on the plant. I know the plant is moving, but as you can see it's not focusing on the plant at all. There it goes. All right, so yes, we do have some focusing issues here, and look at that, and it's moving. I do understand that. Let's see if I can make it steady. All right, there it goes. So it is taking a while to focus. So there it goes. It's out of focus, and there it is. It's in focus. So if you're going to shoot at 8K, just understand the fact that the focusing is not going to be as fast. And as you can see, if you have moving object, you can forget about it. Let's see if I got this plant that could kind of put it steady to see if I can get it in focus. All right, so that's as focused as I can get it, which is not bad. All right, so that is 8K, and I'm going to show you guys in 4K the difference in focusing. So this is 8K. All right, guys, so this is 4K, and as you can see, the focusing is a whole lot better in 4K. Now, as far as the quality, you be the judge for yourself when it comes down to the quality. But as far as the focusing, it's really fast, a lot faster in 4K versus 8K. And as you can see, as the plant moving, it's still trying to keep it in focus. And yes, it's staying in focus for the most part. All right, there it goes. So this is 4K. And I like to see this move because, as you guys can see, in 8K we had an issue. But in 4K, look like we do not have that issue. Look like it's focusing fine. All right, so this is 4K. Let me change it up a little bit. All right, y'all, so this is 8K, and I want to see if it's gonna focus right here. All right, this is 8K. Go all the way back. See if it's gonna focus. This is 4K. All right. Woo! I hope you enjoyed this video. Me kind of going between 8K and 4K and focusing between the Galaxy S20 Plus. You be the judge for yourself. I looked at some of the footage of the 8K when I was kind of running up and down here. It didn't look that bad. I did see some focusing issues going back and forth, but in 4K, I don't see any really groundbreaking bad issues with the Galaxy S20 Plus. But in 8K, this is what you're gonna see. What about the quality? I've seen the quality look really good on the 8K versus the 4K. I don't know if it's a big difference. I know it's a lot of information. 8K is a big file, but you be the judge for yourself. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S20, 8K, 4K, poor focusing. Does it have a focus issue on the Galaxy S20 Plus? I know that the Galaxy S20 Ultra does have focusing issues, but does the Galaxy S20 Plus have those same issues? You be the judge for yourself. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.